now, this view is of Nelson again on the SBF VISA roller coaster here at IAAPA. This is a new credit. So I'm excited about this. Definitely different getting into this thing. I'm riding in the normal position. You're going backwards.
I'm going backwards. I'm terrified. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah,
I'm nervous. And this is not a ginormous coaster, but it's this coaster with a crazy elements.
Is that our buzzer? Was that? No, I still hear them ratcheting people down. I'm getting genuinely nervous here.
Yeah, no, I'm
I mean,
that's shaking right there.
We saw on the live video, we just did one for our YouTube and whatnot, and the coaster was going around and was going like this, and I'm going, oh no.
There's one moment that just,
Yeah, and we're gonna hit that right off the bat. So again, this coaster, it spins like this for all the other cars except for the one for us where we are like this.
My view is of the people that are spinning like normal people.
That's kind of neat. Can you actually see?
Yeah, I can see
take
it.
a look.
So you can see Dan, and then right above.
We're in a hamster wheel right now. This is what I feel like. I feel like we're in a hamster wheel. We're just gonna start running.
Yes, exactly. So you can see we are full on in a ball.
Yeah. And it's gonna be just a second. We'll dispatch. And here we go.
Oh boy. Here we go. I'm terrified. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh no.
Oh
no, no.
boy.
Here we go.
Oh man.
Ah! Whoa! We're hanging. We're still hanging.
Whoa! Oh my goodness.
Now we're in the station round 2.
Here we go.
And here we go. So now the view of me, my hair is all over the place. That was a crazy flip, and here we go, Nelson. Whoa! What is this? This is nuts. No idea what's going on. Whoa! That was definitely different. I got a little bit of adrenaline rush. I'm a little dizzy. Overall, that's not a bad ride. I don't think it's painful. It's not a very big layout as well, which is kind of nice. A lot of these family entertainment centers could get one of these. I had fun, actually.
Yeah, I had a good time as well. Well, the thing about this is it feels like super unpredictable.
Yeah, super unpredictable. If you're counterweighted differently, you have a heavier person than the other one, you're gonna spin a lot more.
Yes.
Or not hang. We were like balanced out almost because I have a head rush right now.
I have a head rush as well. That was major hang time, so nuts. That
Good
was
stuff,
crazy.
SBF VISA rides, not a bad little coaster. Here we go.